Two government contractors can submit equally compliant proposals and still require completely different strategies for the same RFP. When the government evaluates proposals, it's using something called a source selection method. The solicitation identifies the evaluation factors that the agency will use, so contractors can shape their pricing and proposal strategy accordingly. One of the most common methods is LPTA, or lowest price technically acceptable. Under LPTA, the government evaluates whether each proposal meets the minimum technical requirements, generally on a pass-fail basis. Among the proposals that pass, the government awards the one with the lowest evaluated price. Another popular method is the best value trade-off. Here, the government can select a higher price proposal when its technical approach and past performance justifies the additional cost. Price still matters, but technical ability matters more. Understanding which method applies shapes the capture process before the writing even begins. Solicitation, for example, the agency clearly explains that the evaluation is by LPTA. In this example, it's increasingly important to understand who your competitors are and what they may be pricing at. Contrastingly, in this solicitation, the best value trade-off is explicitly stated. So here, it's more important to focus on past performance and proving you can deliver quality work as opposed to purely price as your competitive advantage. And this is where Chromie can further streamline your business development and capture process. For any given solicitation, we deeply understand the documents and what evaluation criteria is going to be used, so we can give you a full breakdown in an easily digestible way. Based on this, you're able to understand what the factors are and if your go, no-go strategy can be more informed. We also have the AI chat, which has full access to all of these to give you further analysis without leaving the page. That's all for today. Thank you.